Hi, Teri here from Stamping Magic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video to share with you. This is my latest Stampin' Up order and it contains the pre-order that I've put in for the July to December mini catalogue. This mini catalogue has actually been delayed a month, so for customers it will start in August. It also contains the free Sale-a-Bration items that I earned with my order, and Sale-a-Bration runs from the 3rd of August to the 30th of September, and this is our second one for this year. Now I'm just going to open my box, and I can see on the top I've got some of the new mini catalogues. Now I can't show you the inside of these, you can only look at the cover at the moment until it's released to customers. And somewhere down at the bottom I've got the Sale-a-Bration brochures. Now in here are all the free gifts that you can select. You can select one with a purchase of £45, or some of the items are available for a purchase of £90. I'm going to organise this order a little bit to make it a bit simpler and quicker to show you everything, and then I'll be right back. I did purchase a few consumable items, so I'll go through those first of all. Starting with the latest in colour Reinkers. Now I don't usually get these at all, but I've said before I'm completely in love with the latest set of in colours, and I've used them so much already I thought I better get the Reinkers. And because we've got a new set of masks coming with the new catalogue, I ordered an additional pot of the shimmery embossing paste. I also picked up just one pack of dimensionals and a couple of packs of our basic white cardstock. Now this is the normal weight. We no longer sell Whisper White. The basic white is a much brighter white, and although I've still got masses of Whisper White card to use up, I do like to use basic white for my videos. Now on to the new products. I purchased just 2 reels of the new ribbon. The first one is the glittered organdy ribbon in white. We already have this in black and I love it. It's just proved so useful to have in my stash, and I think the white will as well. And then another I couldn't resist is the black and white gingham. I absolutely love gingham both in ribbon and paper, so I had to have this. Next is the new Decorative Masks pack, and these are called Adoring Designs. And as always, they're 6 inches square, and you get 4 different designs in the pack. So this beautiful snowflake one, and then some diagonal stripes, and then 2 additional beautiful designs. I got just one standalone stamp set, and this is Nuts About Squirrels, and how cute is this? It's photopolymer and it's one of our 2-step stamp sets. This means that there are multiple stamps that make up an image. And next we have another super cute bundle. This is the Penguin Place bundle. Again, it's photopolymer and it's 2-step. These images are just adorable, and the stamp set coordinates with the Penguin Builder Punch. So you've got the main penguin body, and then you've got the front and the feet that you can punch out. Next we have the Peaceful Deer bundle, and again this stamp set coordinates with the Deer Builder Punch. Again, it's a photopolymer set, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. You've got 4 different types of deer, and you've got the bunny rabbits, as well as lots of trees and sentiments. Next I have some of the products from the Sweet Stockings suite. Now I didn't get everything, I just got a few of them, starting with the Sweet Little Stockings stamp set. And again, this is completely adorable. You've got the dog, the cat, and I think that third one is a hamster, with the stockings and various accessories and sentiments. And this time it coordinates with a die set, so you've got all the outline dies as well as various other dies that you can use to build your scene. The large die you could use to create a banner, or I'm sure you could create a little house with it as well. Now we've also got the matte decorative dots, and these are beautiful. They come in 4 colours. You've got Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Evening Evergreen and Old Olive. And then you've got this beautiful paper. So you've got the cute images on one side, and then you've got a more traditional print on the reverse. And it may be, I haven't tried it yet, but some of these stockings and things you might be able to die cut with the dies. It's very pretty paper and something a little different for the festive season. Now I did purchase one additional paper pack, and this is the Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper. This is one of our specialty papers, and it has foiling on it, and it's absolutely beautiful. Now what really attracted me to this was the colours. It's a very unusual set of colours for Christmas, and I just thought the papers looked so pretty. There is a whole suite of products that goes with this, but I didn't get anything else. Just look at those gorgeous colours. Now on to the free Sale-a-Bration items that I earned. One of the items available coordinates with the Peaceful Deer bundle, and it's a 12 by 12 paper pack, Peaceful Prints, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So you've got all these deer on one of them, and some of them coordinate with the Deer Builder Punch. And again, you've got this beautiful gingham. You've got some very traditional designs on the back as well. As normal, you get 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. The next item coordinates with the Penguin Place bundle, and it's another paper pack. This is the Penguin Playmates 12" by 12" designer series paper. Now again, I'm sure some of these images will match the punch, and they do, so that's useful. And you've got super cute images on one side, and then again more traditional designs on the reverse. And you've got some beautiful colours as well. And then these are the final 2 items that I got for free, and they coordinate with each other. So you've got the Counting Sheep stamp set, and then you've got the sheep dies. Now each of these items is available separately with a £45 purchase. So if you don't want the dies, you don't have to have them. But who wouldn't want them? You get outline dies for each of the images, but then you also get additional dies for items that you can use to build your scenes. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye for now.